y'all are watching The Chi or not, the final season. Oh my god, it's so good. If you've watched all the seasons of The Chi, then you should be like excited to be at the very end. It's like so interesting to watch, especially since they started. This is what, the 8th season, I think, and they've been on since they were little kids, and now they're like adults and stuff like that. But I just think it's such a good series, so I'm excited to watch it tonight. I'm waiting for my husband to get off of work because the new episode is out. But I'm trying to be finished before he gets here so that I can go ahead and watch that with him. And then I do need to get myself together for tomorrow for our trip to Dallas. Restaurants, while we're there, we're gonna leave out early in the morning and go straight to the games, which are at 1 o'clock. And then I think there are 2 games. I hope they're back to back. And then we should have the rest of the day just to tour the city or sightsee, even though we've been in Dallas before. We got a couple of like stops we want to do, like for restaurants and stuff. Josh has a cinnamon bun place that he sees on social media, TikTok and stuff that he wants to try, and some stuff like that. And then Sunday we'll have breakfast. I know they have a Lolo's chicken and waffle there, which we had talked about going to just for chicken and waffles, and or something like that. And then we'll have, he has a game in the afternoon, and if they win, they play again, they keep playing, and if they don't, then they're 1 game and done. So we'll see how Sunday goes, and then we'll be headed back to Houston. So anyways, dolls, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. That's what the evening is shaping up to. It's so rainy here in Houston. I hope it's not raining on the way to Dallas tomorrow, but we'll definitely see. It's been raining like every single day. So if you're watching anybody that's in the Houston area, Houston vloggers, I know that's all they've been talking about is the rain, because it's just been like the rainiest summer ever. I don't ever remember the summers being this rainy, but it is what it is. And yeah, so last check. I don't want anybody telling me my lashes are lifting off. They are all the things that the comments was on. But it's funny to me because I'm like, okay, I saw it when I went to play the video back, and I was like, oh shoot, but I was not filming it again because that video, as you saw, was like, the footage was like well over 40 minutes. So I was like, lash lifting, go back and re-record 40 minutes of footage. Absolutely not, it won't happen. So I kind of hesitated, but I was like, I want to post it, and I cut out as much as I could. But I'm like, hey, if it bothers you that much, just click off, it's fine. But I'm gonna put the content out because I've already recorded it. So that's where I was at. First thing, so my close-up vision now that I'm a little bit older is not the same. So even though it seems like I'm looking like, hey, you're looking right at the camera, you don't see your lashes like that, I really don't, because like I said, I'm not focused on myself in the viewfinder, if that makes sense. I'm more so just checking that I'm in the frame, that, you know, my head is not cut off, the proportions are right, I'm in the middle, things like that, versus like looking at myself, my lashes and that sort of thing. But don't worry, that will not happen again. And I'm just getting ready to kick back. It's Friday night. Like I said, we're traveling in the morning, and so I'm gonna finish up editing the YWIGS, this boho braid install. I had a couple of videos that I filmed while I was doing the installation, so I'm finishing the editing those up. I'm trying to get it up for tomorrow, Saturday, which I think that I will. Okay, that's the TV. I was like, who's talking? And so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna watch The Chi. I'm gonna finish my Chipotle, and it's just gonna be a really chill night. So it is 8:13. And so that's pretty much it for the night. I'm gonna take this makeup off. I've gotta get in my PJ. I will talk to you dolls in the morning. See ya. Good morning, dolls. We are off on our road trip to Dallas. So far we're about 2 hours in, and we've stopped for just to get food. It's about 10:30. We left at 7 a.m. We stopped to get food. Got Chick-fil-A. Just left Starbucks, of course, and I got my usual drink. Venti iced latte made with almond milk, 2 pumps, sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump, hazelnut, and a scoop of strawberries. I also had from yesterday some matcha cold foam that I brought with me, and I'm gonna add that to the top of my drink. It looks like this. You know, it's a good matcha day when the color is that green. I started to just drink this matcha by itself, but I wanted the coffee as well because we've been up early, went to bed late, and I just need a little pick-me-up. So that's what I got. I brought along in my little Chanel toiletry that I got when I got my Chanel skincare products. I put in here just some hibiscus teas and my vitamins, lemons, that sort of stuff is in here. And my camera was in here. So I have that bag that I'm carrying along with me for the road trip. And I just put my hibiscus and my water in my Stanley cup. And yeah, so we are on the way. We're supposed to be there in about an hour. Taste this. Usually take a sip from the bottle. Can you guys see me? Maybe washed out with the sun. It's good. So I'll hit you guys back. For real?
Is berry sauce good?
Right.
Good, Caleb!
I'm only doing this so we don't accidentally record them without their consent.
Who is it?
Yeah,
Other people at the bar.
it's okay.
Alright, so we got one more basketball game. At least one more. I didn't know it's automatic 2 games today. And then, but they're not in the championship because they didn't get first. Okay, so the next game is at 12:10, 15. So 15 is 11:30. And then after that, we'll get something to eat and I guess head back to Houston, right? So that's how our day is going. The update. Big job. Alright. Big boy John. He's getting older, I can tell. Oh, you know what? Unless I put it
I'm logging into your account. Try to switch to Caleb and Terry.
Yeah, he seems to be able to look at it, so I definitely will log in. He always seems to have it on and active. It's for
TRS_.
the cookies. Okay, let's go see what the cinnamon rolls are giving. Look at this. What do you gotta say? They have cinnamon rolls. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Good, thanks. We were coming in. Do you have cinnamon rolls left? Okay, no problem. Do you want to try any cookies? Or
Plenty of our soft baked cookies.
okay.
Got oatmeal cream pies. It's been a fun guilty pleasure lately.
Okay, they look good.
Yeah. And then we've got our strawberry Rice Krispie treats as well. We actually have 4 flavors over there, but strawberry's been a popular one.
Okay. Let's see. What kind of cookie are you looking for?
Your destination is on the right.
Macadamia? You want to try one? White chocolate? White chocolate?
Yeah, white chocolate macadamia?
Yes. Should we get Dad something? What did he get yesterday? Chocolate. Do you have one like chocolate chip and pecans? Okay, we'll take one of those.
You got it.
And Caleb chocolate chip, you think? Okay, one chocolate chip, one.
Let's